Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're taking a look at USDJPY on February 20th, 2025. Recent news shows that USDJPY has seen significant volatility in the past few weeks. This volatility is likely due to a combination of factors, including inflation pressures in Japan and expectations for potential future interest rate hikes by the Bank of Japan. Let's begin by looking at the daily chart. Here, we can see a clear downtrend in the USDJPY pair over the past month. The price has consistently fallen below previous support levels, and the overall trend remains bearish. Notice how the price consistently dropped below prior support levels, which is a classic sign of a bearish trend. The volume data could help us to confirm the strength of this bearish move. High volume during these periods is a strong signal. Now, let's drill down and examine the 1-hour chart. Focusing on the last week, it reveals some short-term fluctuations. Notice some periods where the pair had a brief upward trend, indicating potential resistance. These short-term reversals could be an indication of traders taking profits. If we look at the volume of transactions during these periods, it can potentially provide confirmation of the strength of the reversal. Zooming in on the 15-minute chart, we can see the short-term price action and its volatility. It suggests a lot of indecision among the buyers and sellers. These small price fluctuations on the 15-minute chart highlight the need for traders to be cautious about entering into positions. The short term is indeed very volatile. However, notice that despite the short-term volatility, the overall trend of USDJPY still seems to point towards a long-term bearish sentiment. Let's analyze a specific period between October 25th and November 1st, a range highlighted in the daily chart. The price action in this range reveals a swift and significant upward trend followed by a sudden and sharp reversal. This could be linked to some specific news event during that time, which we can investigate further. This sharp reversal indicates that the bullish momentum was not sustainable, reinforcing the bearish outlook. Based on our analysis of news and the charts across multiple timeframes, the key price levels to watch are the recent support level around 149.0 and the potential resistance level around 151.0. The likelihood of a short-term bounce is moderate, but only if the volume increases during an upward move. In the long term, the bearish trend is more likely to continue unless there's a major shift in global economic news or central bank policies. Important things to look for in the future include any news regarding the Bank of Japan's rate hike plans and any unexpected changes in the global economy, which could easily change the sentiment surrounding USDJPY. In summary, while short-term fluctuations are possible, the overall bearish trend in USDJPY seems to be the most probable scenario. Keep your eyes on the 149.0 support and 151.0 resistance levels, and pay close attention to economic news and central bank announcements. Remember to do your own research before making any trading decisions.